If you've never written a line of code in your life, you can still build a real working app today. Not a mock-up, an actual app with automations and analytics built in. I'm going to build one from scratch using Greta, showing you the 4 features that actually makes it different from every other AI builders out there. So let me give you a quick introduction of what Greta actually is. So Greta is an AI app builder. You can actually describe what you want in plain English and it actually builds it for you. The screens, the buttons, the logic underneath. Greta actually gives you the automation, the AI agent, the theming, and the SEO tools and everything in one place. You're not just building an app, you're building something you can actually launch. So let me show you how to actually do it. So this is an extensive guide of how to use Greta from scratch. So right now, in order to make this entire tutorial hyper simple, I've created a simple prompt that actually you can give it to Greta right today that actually will make you an app like with a simple one-liner prompt. So what we're basically going to do is we're going to create a simple task tracker app that actually handles all the tasks we are doing today and like marks it as if it's completed or delete the task if you're actually done doing it. So we're going to create a task tracker app. So let me just put this entire prompt into here. Okay, so here's the prompt. So build me a simple task tracker app where I can add tasks, mark them as complete, and organize them into categories. Show me a clean list view. This is the entire prompt I'm going to give it and see what it's going to come up with. So let's hit build now. Okay, it just completed and we have a beautiful UI right in front of our faces and we're going to see if it actually works. So let's put a, okay, so that's the task and organize your day with clarity and everything. It's an entire app built. So let us create a task and see if it actually works. So let's see, okay, making videos. And if I click on, okay, they say home, other and personal work. So that's another one. Okay, so let's click on plus. Okay, it's working. So if we click on, okay, that's a cool slash option on the task you already done. It makes the radius of the buttons that actually are inside the apps, that's really cool. And also you can change the shadow designs of the each and every one of these UI features you build. That's another plus. And if you click on apply theme, it's going to apply the entire thing. So if it actually goes ahead and asks the chat to actually do it for you. So that's another plus. Okay, the next feature is flows. This one surprised me the most because the flows is like an automation tool inside like these vibe coding AI builder apps. Like imagine native Zapier and Inaden built inside the AI builder itself. It's like surprised me the most. Like uh, so if you want to say welcome to every users that actually sign up for your app, you can actually set up a flow for it. Let me show you how the flow works. So you click on the plus button here and there's something called the flow. You click on it and it goes inside a flow, and if you want to create a new flow, you click on this plus button. You can actually do it in settings, but you need a premium plan for it, but also it's really cool. So let me guess, if I want to set up a welcome email for sign up people who actually sign up, I basically go here and select the trigger and actually click on what the user content and everything from and who everything from details are actually easier to add. And actually you can go ahead and change the subject. So imagine if you want to welcome the username, it says welcome username, you can change it to whatever you want. It actually works really cool. Also if you hit publish, it's going to add the thing to, they really need the API key, but still you can actually work this on your own. You can actually add more like OpenAI, Google, Gemini, Claude. You can actually make whatever flows you want. Like you can actually create custom flows. You don't actually need a native like Zapier plugin or Inaden plugin or Make plugin. You can actually make all on your own in this app itself. So it's really easier to navigate. And there's also a variety of templates that's packed inside the flows, like support ticket triage and lead qualifier, routing and customer feedback, auto reply. It's all like you can just get in there and put your information and actually get it to start working right away. You don't have to build anything from scratch. Also, the abandoned cart recovery is the best thing for marketing people that actually work in these apps these days. And also meeting notes to action. There's a lot of templates you can actually go ahead and search for yourself. This is really crazy in beta, and it's actually a one up of all the AI builders app out there. You can use this for like everything you actually want inside an app. Last but not least, the fourth feature of an app is really important to actually get real users actually using your app. It's SEO. SEO is like it's never done by any AI app builders that I know of. So you can actually go ahead and do it for yourself. All you need to do is hit deploy and actually deploy the app. If you want to keep a real-time domain to it, if you want to actually use the generic domain that actually gives you as a free model, you can actually do it. And actually after you deploy it, let me just show you how to set up the analytics. So right now we are just deploying the app from building the package, migrating the everything it does by itself. You don't have to do anything else. So we just started deploying. After we deploy, we can like view the analytics of the app and actually like review the traffic and everything and add SEO and everything. So let me just show you how it works. As you can see here, we just deployed the entire application, and if you want, you can open the app here. This looks like this. The Greta app, it's entirely deployed and also in place. And also after that, you can actually go ahead and see the analytics. Let's see the analytics of it. You can see the website visitors, website page views and sessions and everything. And also you can actually track every one of those viewers and everything. It's insane. So as you can see here, we just built an entire analytics without even adding the Google Analytics. So you need to start, if you need to start building one for your own, you can actually go ahead and do it right away. You don't need a huge prompt. You just need to like start from like small prompt and build your way up. That's the way to actually do it. And also, as you can see here, we just created an entire web analytics page. If you want, you can add SEO to it and actually track on how people like go into your website and actually like interact with your pages and everything. And also, you can change a lot of things. So yeah, the last verdict of the app is that's the whole thing. We built a working app from one sentence, styled it in seconds, added automations with flows, gave it an AI agent, checked its SEO, and got analytics all without touching the code. That's what makes Greta different, not just a builder. Like it's everything you actually need to launch an app from scratch. You don't need like complicated, prompt engineering to actually do this stuff. So you might need that, but actually in the start you don't actually need that. You need to like get your stuff in the market first, and then you can like iterate upon it. So yeah, that's it. If you want the entire app and if you want to use it for yourself, there's a free version of this app in live that's right now. You can just check out the description, and yeah, thank you.